Hi there everybody, I wanted to do a quick video on how to utilize the comms or communication log that will be residing on various laptops. Just a quick video on how this works. It's really simple and easy. Once I install or you install the comms program on your laptop or computer, you're going to want to find that. You can see mine is up in this area here. Double click on that left, you'll get a Comm Manager message saying that this is not a Windows XP machine. I know that, you don't have to tell me, but it's fine. So it's going to run fine. Just click OK. There'll be a disclaimer after this, a copyright from David and Fred, and then we have to use it at our own risk, blah, blah, blah. So you want to left click on I understand and agree. This will bring you the main user interface. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to want to create a file, create comm collection. So that's where we know where to store these things on the computer. We've been using the date as the comm folder name, so this would be 12/03/17. Because this is an older program, it doesn't really like special characters like forward and backslash, so we've just been doing that. For now, this may change. And I'd recommend clicking on Use My Documents folder just so there's a consistency on you know where to find it. Click Accept. This will open up a new user interface. And now we're ready to start using the program for the 12/03/17 mission. So to create a comm, we left click comm, then left click add new comm. This will auto populate to the first one, which would be 1. Accept. You can see here that the date will auto populate, and we can change that if we want. The time will auto populate. The operational period will auto-populate, and for X reference we're going to be using the Washoe County case number, and one of either the sergeant or the deputy can get that for you, and we'll just put it in here. It's typically 4 numbers after this. We'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're all ready. Now the conversations have started, and say the first sender is SAR Command, so we're going to want to enter that in there. And say the receiver is Team 1, we'll enter that in there. And then whatever the message is that we're going between the two, say, please check in. And then you can listen to the other side, all good, whatever it is. You can use spell check on this. It's a really good thing for me. And then if we just left click on accept, this will populate up in this area, giving you an overview of this particular comm. Okay? Create the next comm, just add a new comm. You can see now it's gone to number 2, accept. The great thing about this program is it auto-populates. If you left-click the down arrow, you can see there's SAR Command again. And of course over here will be Team 1. We have a choice, but say it's somebody else, like a staging manager or something like that. Like I said, I need spell check. And then whatever the information is there, and then what you hear back, and that would be left click accept, and now this will show up as that comm. And you can see here's the message, obviously in a different language, and the action taken, who the receiver is, who the sender is, and we can look through these one by one. We also have the option to generate a comms log if command wants it, or wants to look at them all at once. We can left click there, and you can see here that the comms log and the log operations are shown in this kind of a format. May have to make it big and then drag these columns and these margins to make them a little bit bigger. Okay, so pretty simple, easy to use. We can create PDFs off of this so that the deputy can store it in the mission file, and then we'll have all the communication that went on. We'll have a chance to practice this with some laptops as soon as we get this put on people's laptops if they want it, and then also where the scribe station is going to reside in the command post. Any questions, comments, coupons for coffee, feel free to contact me. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Talk soon.